What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have another sound absorbing blanket. If you haven't seen the other sound absorbing blanket that I reviewed, you can check that one out. But this is a different one, different brand, but similar to the same style. This one seems a little bit thicker, so that might be a plus. The thicker it is, the more dense and the better sound dampening will be. All right, so when you get this in, this is how it comes. All right, when you open up your Amazon box, this is it right here. All right, now you have your installation stuff right there, and we are going to go ahead and get into it. Be careful how you open this. All right, so here we go. And now I want to say that this one do feel a little bit thicker than the other one. Yeah, it's about the same. It feels the same as the other one. Now what I'm gonna do is put it up and see if I hear any like difference when it comes to sound, but y'all won't be able to tell. I tried with the decibel level, the decibel meter thing, and pretty much it was the same thing, but I could hear the difference as far as me talking. Like it wasn't really bouncing back and forth through the room. So the way I got my room set up, my room is set up to where my desk is here, my little cubicle is over here, and I have a little bit of space to where I could put the blanket in between. So that way I'm kind of closing myself in as I blog, talk, or do whatever it is that I do whenever I do it. So let's have fun. All right, you guys. So I'm turning back this way for the ones that seen the other review before. Bend y'all back a little bit and put some light over here. I love these newer lights, you guys. Like, wireless is like the best thing that ever happened in human history. I guess besides the automobile, right? We are going to put one up here. And I'm going to lift it up a little bit. The last time I lifted up, it hit the ceiling, so I don't want to hit the ceiling too much. So this time when I lift it up, I'm just going to get right there. One thing I could say about the other one was it came with screws and anchors, so that way you can put it onto your wall. So this one did come with screws, anchors. It's all right here in the bag. I'm not going to open that. It comes with screws and anchors, you guys. I'm not opening this. All right, now I'm going to walk on the other side just to see if I can hear a difference. I be in here all the time, you guys, so I could tell you if I hear a difference or not. All right, so I'm gonna be a little dark, and shoot, to be honest with y'all, I could actually hear the difference as I talk now. Y'all might not hear it. This is my first time testing this camera with the audio like this. Usually I have my lavalier mic hooked up, so I am just testing the camera mic. And if you want to know, this is a Insta360 Ace Pro. Okay, so I just want to change up my style of video. I do like action cameras, so as y'all know, I have my GoPro Hero 6, and that's blah 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 on this review, right? So I'm just testing out to make sure this audio is good. So it is what it is when I drop these reviews, and if y'all don't like the audio, then y'all don't like the audio from this camera. That way y'all know if y'all like the pure audio from the camera, or do you rather just hook up your external mic. Okay, so with that being said, yes, I can actually hear a difference when I'm talking. Of course, it's not bouncing all the way back to that room over there. So when I come up here, I can hear the openness when I talk out in the open. When I'm further back, I can hear the sound dampen. So when I'm like right here in this area here, I can hear the sound dampen. through this whole little middle section right here. So that's pretty good. So anyways, for me to have this more effective, I may have to get another backdrop and then put it here to make it go all the way. All right. That's if I want to get, to the extreme, but I'm not going to get to the extreme. I just want something that dampens the. You guys, this camera and the hand gesture thing is really irritating. So when I talk, I throw my hand a lot. So I'm gonna put my hand like this. I throw my hand a lot. So this camera has a feature on it called gesture. So you can actually throw your hand up for the camera to come on and throw your hand up for the camera to come off or turn off. Sorry. And with that being said, when I talk, I use my hand a lot when I talk. So it keeps cutting off. So I might have to take the hand gesture thing off. That might be a con when I do my final review of this camera. So, I mean, other than that, that's it with this sound blanket. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section. I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.